Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make vegetables curry loved by most people. Hope you like it. The vegetable curry wraps the sweetness of vegetables with the fragrant aroma of spices, and the mellowness of coconut milk can be seen in the slight spiciness. It is rich in layers and warms the stomach and stimulates the appetite. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: cabbage, carrot, eggplant, potato, tomatoes, curry leaves, vegetarian curry paste, tofu pak. One. Blanch the tofu in boiling water for 1 minute. Remove and squeeze dry to effectively remove the oil while maintaining its soft and chewy texture. Tofu pak into small pieces of cut into half at your own preference. Wash the curry leaves and push forward to easily pull out the curry leaves. Peel and cubes potatoes. Cut the potatoes into pieces and stew them with the curry. The starch is slowly released to make the soup thicker and softer. During the stewing process, the potatoes fully absorb the spicy flavor of the curry, becoming soft, fragrant, and melt in the mouth. Cooked with carrots or onions, the sweetness blends with the spiciness of the curry, creating a rich layer of flavors and perfect for rice. Fry the potatoes until they are golden and slightly crispy, then stew them in curry. The outer layer absorbs the rich sauce, while the inside is still soft and glutinous, with a richer taste. Frying locks in the aroma of the potatoes, and they will not fall apart even after long cooking, allowing the spicy aroma of the curry and the caramelized aroma of the potatoes to blend perfectly, making the flavor more abundant. Peel and cubes carrot. The natural sweetness of carrots blends into the spicy flavor of curry. After stewing, they are soft but not mushy, which balances the spiciness and adds sweetness. Cut eggplant into strip. After stewing the eggplant in curry, it is soft and tasty, and its sponge-like texture absorbs the rich sauce, melting in the mouth and having a spicy and sweet aftertaste. Fried eggplant can quickly lock in the internal moisture and form a crispy outer layer, which is not easy to become soft when cooking curry, keeping the shape intact and the taste soft on the outside and glutinous on the inside. High-temperature frying also stimulates the unique caramel aroma of eggplant, which collides with curry spices to create a richer, complex flavor, while reducing greasiness and making the sauce easier to penetrate. You may oil-fried, roast, or air-fryer eggplant at your own convenience. roasted eggplants set aside. Wash and cut tomato into small pieces. Vegetarian curry with tomatoes has a balanced, spicy flavor. After stewing, the fruity aroma blends into the sauce, which naturally enhances the flavor and relieves greasiness. Cut cabbage into small pieces. Cabbage is added to vegetarian curry, and its sweet, crispy, and tender taste adds layers to the rich sauce. After long cooking, it becomes soft, tasty, and refreshing. Ingredients are ready to go. Let's cook vegetables curry. Stir-fry curry leaves with high heat. After the curry leaves are stir-fried dry or in hot oil, the unique citrus woody aroma will be released twice, making the curry flavor more profound. Add curry after stir-frying the tomato until it is sandy. The flavor will be more intense. If you like a softer taste, you can peel it and stew it. Add carrots and stir-fry together if you like a richer taste. The caramel aroma will make the curry flavor more mellow. You can use your favorite brand of vegetarian curry sauce. I use this one and it tastes pretty good. Stir-fry the curry paste with oil over low heat until the oil turns red and the aroma is overflowing. This can completely stimulate the flavor of the spices and make the curry taste richer and mellower. Key tips: add a little minced ginger, garlic, or curry leaves when frying the sauce to double the layering. Pay attention to the heat to avoid burning and bitterness. When the sauce color becomes darker, you can add other ingredients to stew. Add 500 milliliters water and bring to boil. Add tofu pak and let it absorb flavor. After the beans are soaked in curry and stewed, they absorb the sauce like a sponge. When you bite them, a rich spicy aroma bursts out. They are salty, fresh, slightly spicy, and go well with rice. Add cabbage. The cabbage is sweet and tender after being cooked in curry, and the leaves are wrapped in layers of fragrant sauce, which is refreshing and relieves greasiness. Hand-shredded cabbage is easier to absorb the flavor. If you like the crispy feeling, you can put it in the pot later. Paired with potatoes or bean curd, the taste is more layered. Add fried potatoes and fried eggplant. The key to the taste of vegetarian curry is to put the vegetables in the pot at different times. After the curry sauce boils, turn to low heat and simmer to prevent the vegetables from being overcooked. After turning off the heat, simmer for 5 minutes for a more flavorful taste. You can add coconut milk to vegetarian curry according to your preference, but I prefer the taste without it. The curry soup with coconut milk is mellow and smooth, with a slightly sweet milky aroma, which can neutralize the spiciness of curry. It is suitable for people who are afraid of spicy food or like mild flavors. Without coconut milk, the original spiciness of the spices is highlighted. The soup is refreshing and not greasy, and the spiciness is more direct, which is suitable for heavy taste or Indian flavor lovers. Not adding coconut milk is suitable for vegetables that are easy to release water, such as tomatoes and eggplants, or for those who pursue a low-calorie diet. Tips: if you want to balance the calories, you can mix a small amount of coconut milk with water, or replace it with cashew milk, oat milk to increase the creamy feeling. The rich spice aroma of vegetarian curry instantly activates the taste buds, and the slight spiciness with warmth makes people's appetite whet. After stewing, root vegetables such as carrots and potatoes release natural sweetness, perfectly balancing the spiciness of curry. And the more you chew, the more fragrant it becomes. The sauce made from tomatoes covers the rice, and every spoonful is full of rich layers of sour, sweet, and spicy, and you can't stop eating. Crisp and tender cabbage, soft and glutinous eggplant, and juicy bean curd are intertwined to meet the expectations of food texture. Pure vegan ingredients are refreshing and not greasy, and the stomach is comfortable after eating, and even the soup can be mixed with rice to sweep up. Squeeze a little lemon juice or pair it with pickled cucumbers, sour and refreshing to relieve greasiness, and the flavor is accreted. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. You will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.